Every checkpoint in Biafra territory is hereby banned from today henceforth. Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa went ahead and said that he have ordered the Biafra Liberation Army to ensure that no checkpoint operate in any Biafra territory from today henceforth. My people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If na today na the first time wey you dey come across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Oya, hit the follow button now. Look the link below this video and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that as we dey drop am for there, you go be the first person to get am. No forget to turn on the notification button so that every video wey we drop, you go get the notification immediately. Remember, say information na be the key. Okay, my people, let's go and look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. No be small thing. Simon Ekpa have issued an official announcement. They say that every Nigeria checkpoint in Biafra territory is here banned, and also those politicians who are financing them. The order has been given for a total evolution starting from today. He have ordered the Biafra Liberation Army to make sure that no checkpoint of Nigerian military, police, and others to operate in Biafra territory from today, made by PM Biafra government in exile, which is Simon Ekpa. So we are going to play you the video, guys. Only one thing you will do in this video is just stay tuned and watch the video from beginning to end so that you will not miss out everything Simon Ekpa said, because most of you people don't get information. That is why you miss a lot of things and do mistake. So we are going to play the video. So watch the video while we come back and continue.
My plan this evening was to have a normal broadcast, then after that, announcement. But time did not permit me. Time did not permit me. Those who are sharing your propaganda, many voice note propaganda that they are sharing, we have passed that level. We are now focusing and our eyes is on the ball. Our eyes on the ball. I want to make it official this evening that we are demanding every checkpoint in Biafra land to vacate immediately. Every checkpoint is hereby banned officially from tonight. We have been saying this thing for almost 6 months. Enugu State, the Oluwole Pitamba has ordered and pulled the military out of the street in Enugu. That is our demand and it is our order. That is one step to peace. Pitamba has pulled out military from the street in Enugu, as ordered by the Biafra Republic government in exile. And it is a step to the right direction. We have given him a shocker and a warning of his life. And he knows he can't fight a nation with his Nigeria bloody equipment and Boko Haram military he used to gang Enugu people up. He can't succeed. He can't win Biafra. We will fight you when you are sleeping. I want to tell Mba, pulling the military is the right thing to do at the right time. It's not enough. From tonight, any checkpoint in Biafra land, anywhere you see checkpoint in Biafra land, engage them. from tonight,
pay attention here.
Any military checkpoint, any police checkpoint, any naval checkpoint, engage them. And we are starting it from the top. Those who are sending those people in the checkpoint to harass and kill our people, we are also coming for you. We will stop you. Because once we stop you, we are going to stop them. If they don't have you to give them money, if they don't have you to supply them arms, they are not going to summon courage to be in that checkpoint. So we are fighting from the top. Those of you in Abuja encouraging checkpoints in Biafra land, we are stopping you. That is one thing we are going to start now. Or I will say we have started. That is going to make a difference. We are not just going after the criminals, after the terrorists that are blocking our road and killing our people, but we are going after those who send them. To stop them from sending killers into our land. It is the responsibility of government. We must do everything within our powers to stop those killing the citizens of Biafra. We are going to do everything to stop those who kill those who are loyal to the Biafra government. So what we are trying to tell them this evening is that there is no hiding place. Abuja is not safe anymore. Bandits can come to Abuja, kidnap anyhow they want and go, unchallenged. We are wiser, smarter, more educated than them. And even more sophisticated. Intellectually, technologically, and otherwise. You can't hide. Why you were doing all these things in Abuja is because we did not decide to go to Abuja. Now we are there. I'm going to stop here and I will entertain maybe 5 questions and I will call it a day. Success over to you.
Thank you, Prime Minister, our Ambassador of Peace. The message has been passed, and I believe that fellow Biafrans have as well will obey it and have heard what you said. The killing in Biafra, not only in Imo State, but the entire Biafra, especially from 1999, Udi massacre and all other massacres we have had since the reign of these terrorists will be revenged, unabated. That's just a promise. No matter the time it takes, and it has come to fruition now that this is the time that we are going to revenge, no matter wherever they are hiding. It does not matter wherever they are. They are going to go down one after the other, because it is a sin to forgive a betrayer of their own people. And I believe the people in the north, they are calling for help. They are loaning money from them to fight in Biafra. They have already listened to the tape of that idiot who say he's a moke, whatever they call him. He's a gunner. He's no longer living, because wherever we match him, that is where they are going to pick his dead body from. It is not a threat, because he has initiated the killing of innocent people in Imo State, in his own kingdom, wherever they have put him as a king from the government. He has initiated the killing of our children and every other person that have died as a result of their actions. We will revenge. He has come out to boldly declare that he is part of those killing us. And not only him, but in this revenge, it's going to be catastrophic, honestly. So they should enjoy while it lasts. Every other part of Biafra we join. The checkpoint has been there, and the order has been there, and our men are following it up gradually. And I believe this is a full flesh order which will be carried out from tonight. So thank you, Prime Minister, and I want to thank you so much for making sure that you disorganize Nigeria diplomatically from Russia, where they have written against you that they should not listen to you, and to the BRICS. I don't know who Russia is listening to now. Is it you or Nigerian government? Egypt has been admitted into the organization. Ethiopia the same, but Nigeria it was rejected. It is as a result of your diplomatic onslaught against the terrorist state of Nigeria, and this should not stop. However, you are doing the magic, I don't know, but make sure it gets to the nook and cranny of all world bodies, to include the United States under the very corrupt Joe Biden. They will not hide their value. They will not hide what they believe, their value system. They must bring it out. And if you turn against Biafra, it means you have turned against justice, and that's all it means. So keep it up, Prime Minister. Make sure even the least country in Africa, make sure they will reject Nigeria. Exactly. You have done a very marvelous job. Less than 1 week, Russia and all the BRICS families pay them back with a very disgraceful return, which Shetima is the one confessing now. I love that. Keep it up. So, fellow Biafrans, thank you. And we all in all this together, we move. There's no looking back. However, whatever you wish, whatever you have on the table, this is the time. Bring it up. Why our Liberation Army are doing us great. I'm very proud of them. And in Africa, I'm not sure we have any such army of high resistance than the armies of Biafra under the command of Mazi Simon Ekpa. They are great and they are doing marvelously well. And wherever you think they are not there, they are there. You see how Wagner are making headline all over the world. I'm telling you, in no distance time, as our Prime Minister said, in days to come, Biafra will be all over the world, mainstream media. That's just a promise he has promised us, and I never look back to, I guess his promise is always promised and fulfilled. And from me, as you go, please unmute yourself, then greet Biafrans, so I will proceed. Please, if you have a question, continue sending your microphone request, and let us have a very bright.
Welcome back, my people. As you have watched that video and hear everything direct from the PM, Biafra government in exile, which is Simon Ekpa, and the representative of the Biafra Liberation Army as well. The statement that they made, that they are taking this war directly to the doorstep of their enemies, in order way to make sure that the things go right for the people of Biafra. Our goal is to achieve the state of Biafra, the country called Biafra, and to achieve the Republic of Biafra. It is our goal, and our goal as all freedom fighters in the Biafra land. So I wish them well in their own way. And I also say that for the checkpoint, it has become a story of the day. If the military are there watching the people and doing the needful, why they are not extorting from people and accusing people or labeling them to be a Yahoo boy and extort money from them. This is have been the things going on in the Southeast, and it has become common. So you can go out and come back empty-handed. What happened? They have extorted you. Not even the criminals, but by the people who are supposed to be there to guide you. So guys, I'm going to leave you to contribute and to tell me what you think, what Simon Ekpa said. Do you agree or do you disagree on the opinion of Simon Ekpa in order way to end checkpoint in Biafra land? So drop a comment and tell me what you think in this particular issue, in this particular topic that Simon Ekpa have banned all total of a checkpoint of belonging to the Nigeria forces. in Biafra territory. So what do you think? Let's talk in comment section. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow our Facebook page, on our Twitter handle, and also on TikTok as well. We are there waiting for you. So see you in the next update we're about to drop.